other top story at 5, a lawsuit is looking to set a new precedent when it comes to child sex assault cases in our state.
It involves a priest who at one time worked in the Lansing diocese and an assault that happened back in 1999. Let's get to Pamela Osborne in the newsroom. Pamela, this comes after a law was changed stemming from the Nassar case, correct?
It does. We'll have more on that in just a moment. But what they're arguing now goes back to 2018. That's when Michigan lawmakers changed the statute of limitations, giving sexual assault victims more time to pursue their cases in civil courts.
The majority of child sex abuse victims who disclose their abuse delay disclosure until adulthood. Why? Because they're surviving. They can't process it. They can't deal with it. They are simply trying to live.
Attorney Vin Johnson says his client, Brian McLean, is nearly one of 83% of child sexual assault victims who do not come forward at the time they're being harmed.
Went into a depression and I isolated myself for the next couple of decades. I was saddened and scared, and ultimately somebody who I thought was a higher authority from God was abusing me.
McLean says a priest by the name of Father Richard Lobert sexually abused him in 1999. That was while he attended the W.J. Maxey Boys Training School in Whitmore Lake.
But now we're dealing with what we believe to be the new statute.
Johnson is referring to a change Michigan lawmakers made in 2018 during the Larry Nassar investigation. While Nassar was criminally prosecuted, the victims learned they were unable to file civil cases because the statute of limitations expired at 3 years. Lawmakers made a change in favor of victims, giving them to the age of 28 or within 3 years of discovering that childhood trauma. Their position is McLean, who opened up to a therapist about his abuse in 2020, is well within his legal rights to bring a civil case to court and seek compensation for damages.
This is one of the first times that the Michigan Supreme Court or any Supreme Court from across the country is going to be hearing a case with a new statute of limitation that takes into consideration the delay that childhood trauma has in these folks coming forward to talk.
Attorneys believe there could be even more victims out there. We did some digging around and found out Lobert served at Father Gabriel Richard Catholic High School in Ann Arbor. His time there dates back to 1995. We also found a press release from 2021 explaining that he had been removed from his priestly duties pending an investigation. We will, of course, be following this one, and we'll keep you updated.
Please do. Okay, Pamela Osborne reporting for us. We appreciate it.